Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon products on your Wix website. So first, you may want to head over to Wix, of course, and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, we're just going to click on Edit Site, found at the top. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon products on your Wix website. So first, all you have to do is head over to Wix and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the bottom left corner of your screen, click on Edit Site. And from our website editor page, once again in the left panel, click on Apps. This usually looks like a four square icon. So click on Add Apps and the Wix App Market will pop up. And from here, we're just going to search for Amazon. So just type in Amazon and press enter. Access click on AutoDS Automatic Drop Shipping. Then click on Add to Site. Grant access permissions by clicking on Agree and Add. You will then be taken to AutoDS website and prompt to log in or register to an account. So just a reminder that AutoDS is a paid app. So you're going to need to first subscribe to a package before you can seamlessly use it with Wix. Another way to add Amazon products to your Wix website is by adding products manually. So just head over to Amazon.com and look for the product that you would like to add to your website. So, say for example, we're going to take this watch. Now head back to your Wix editor page. And next in the left panel, click on Pages and Menu. Then click on Store Pages. Then click on Product Page. And now from here, a ready-made template will be added on your website. And from here, all you have to do is replace this with everything manually from starting with the photo. So just click on the template and click on Manage Products. And from here, you can start adding a new product. Choose if it's a physical product or digital file or print on demand. And from here, just add in details, photos, variations from Amazon. You can start by copying this and paste this as the name of the product. Next is images. Just take this image. The pricing will depend on you, or you can also just copy the pricing on Amazon. Variations on product options. And once everything is done with your product, just head over and click on Save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!